What's up guys, Kyneton Gaming here for another little Windows 10 tutorial. With the Windows 11 update going to drop soon, and it will be on all new PCs anyway, but for people running Windows 10 who might want to upgrade or might be thinking about it, here's a little way you can just tell very quickly and easily if your computer is ready or not, because obviously it's going to be very important. Now, first of all, it came in with Windows 10 Update, okay, one of the last but one updates. So it's already on your system. So what you want to do is, I mean, you can see it there because I've searched for it previously, but I'm going to show you how to get it. Go to Apps, then type PC Health Check. Okay, and it will automatically bring it up. Now it's already telling you about Windows 11, introducing Windows 11, okay? Let's check if this PC meets the system requirements. If it does, you can get the free upgrade when it's available. So just click check now. And unfortunately, as I knew anyway, my laptop doesn't currently support Windows 11, and it will tell you why. The processor isn't currently supported for Windows 11, more about supported CPUs. So the processor in this laptop is a Intel Core i7-7700HQ 2.8 GHz. Now I'm sure in later updates, once Windows 11 does come out, they're going to obviously put my CPU and other people's CPUs that are not currently supported in the list. Why they're not in the list, I have no idea. And there's quite a lot of people up in arms about it with Dell laptops, as you can understand, including myself. Okay, so that is just basically a little tutorial, quick guide, step-by-step guide on how to check if your PC complies with Windows 11 just before you upgrade. Okay, leave a like on the video if you want, and make a comment to see how, if I did anything right or wrong, or if you've got anything you want to say. I'm going to leave a link in the description on how you can actually download Windows PC Checker if you haven't got it for some reason. Okay, so yeah, subscribe to the channel, and thanks a lot. See you later, guys.